My name is Lydia Barber. I'm a forensic science technology major, and I'm from Honey Falls, Lima High School. I chose forensic science technology because I always loved science all throughout high school, and I definitely had a knack for it. I also used to watch true crime TV shows with my mom, and being able to apply science to the law in a practical manner is unique and fun. I just love it. Forensic science technology program is a lab-based major, so we do a lot of lab work, a lot of chemistry and biology, and it does prepare you really well, not only for a job in the forensics field necessarily, but also for a job in a lab. The professors here bring their real-world knowledge and experience to the classroom, which is really helpful in preparing us for our employment. I looked at a lot of colleges, but Alfred State really stood out to me for a couple of reasons. The accredited forensic science technology program obviously was a huge reason. Also, they provide scholarships, which was kind of the tipping point when I came here because it is difficult to finance college for a lot of people. All the evidence shows that I'll be successful in my career thanks to Alfred State.
Hit the ground running at Alfred State.